Hi everyone, got a new product. It's a handheld rechargeable vacuum cleaner. Pleasantly surprised on this little guy. Did a nice job in cleaning up the mess. It's powerful, lightweight. So let's get to the review and the open boxing. Hi everyone, today I have a handheld cordless vacuum cleaner by EVBOYS, and there's nothing around the box, so let's go right into opening up. And the first thing I grab is their gratuity card, and they just want you to take a second to rate their product. That helps them out. And we have a really nice corduroy bag for this vacuum and accessories here. Very sturdy, heavy duty. Wow, I like that. And it comes with a handle on it, double-sided zipper, so you can zip it from either end or into the middle. Next we have a flexible extension tube, which you can use with the crevice tool or the brush. Makes it a little easier when you're working in tight corners. And next we have the pet hair or lint brush. And we have our charging cord. Oh, I see it's powered by USB, so you'll need a brick or something to plug it into. The operation manual basically just tells you how to turn it on, so not much information in there. And we have our crevice tool. Gotta have one of those. Alright, let's pull the vacuum out of the box here and see what we have. I have a little HEPA filter here. It's waterproof. It's a silicone ring around it, washable cloth, and it has an outer plastic around it to keep debris from getting inside, so very nice. Okay, let's take this plastic off the vacuum. Wow, that's a nice looking vacuum. Very ergonomic. Yeah, it's all plastic all around it. You can see the finish is quite nice detail. I really like the looks of this. Okay, and then this button turns on the LED light. That's kind of bright. And you tap it again, goes to half the brightness. Alright, let's hit the switch, see how loud it is. I want to see how much power it has. You can see the exhaust vents on the side. And then pull the filter out. You can see it comes with 2 HEPA filters, so that's really nice. I reach in here and get the dust stop out of the dust collector. This vacuum has a large dirt storage area on it, so that's very helpful. Let's try out this crevice tool, see how it works. Yeah, nice. This has a lot of suction power to it. And you can see here how it picks up the piece of paper really easy with the crevice tool on it. So, okay, we're going to add the flexible hose to it, and I'll show you how you hook up the brush with it. Now this will work great for pet hair or working on your computer keypad to get all the dirt and stuff off it. Now let's get some measurements of this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. It is 4 inches deep by 14.5 inches long by 4 3/4 high. Alright, let's get a weight on this real quick. It's 1 pound 11 ounces, so fairly light too. Alright, next we're going to show you some key parts on this vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to take it out and show you how it actually vacuums, so give you some examples. So the first test I'm going to do is where I stack the wood up from my fireplace, and there's a lot of thick dirt and wood chips here, and I'm not sure how it's going to handle this. Let's get right to it because I want to see what it can do and what it can't do instead of messing around with little lightweight stuff. Wow, this thing is really picking up. I can't believe how powerful this little guy is. Well, I'm very impressed with this. You can see it did a really nice job cleaning up all that debris. All right, let's open this up and see how much dirt's inside of here. Let's take the filter out. Oh, wow, check it out. This thing really does pick up the dirt. I'm amazed how powerful this little vacuum is. Look at all that. That's a ton of stuff. I love how big the storage area is in there for the debris. All right, this time I have the crevice tool on the end of it. I have the flexible hose, and I'm hooking up the brush because we're going to try cleaning the carpet. See how it does with lifting the dirt up out of the carpet. Wow, this is amazing. Look at how it's pulling the dirt out of the carpet with this brush and vacuum. I'm very impressed. This has a lot of power for such a small little vacuum. Okay, I'm going to speed everything up so we can get done with this real quick. But I want to show you just how nice a job this does. Okay, we're going to dump this out and see how much dirt is in there. Look at that. That's amazing. I am truly impressed with this little vacuum. And it's so easy to assemble this unit again. You basically put back in the stopper and put the filter back in, snap it back together, and away you're ready to go again. Just that simple. What a great little tool. Can't go wrong purchasing this vacuum. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review on the EVBOYS Cordless Rechargeable Handheld Pet Hair Car Home Vacuum Cleaner. Even though this vacuum is lightweight and small, it's powerful enough to take on big jobs at weighing in only at 1 pound, 11 ounces. As you saw in my review, it can handle wood chips, heavy dirt, and even clean your carpet nice. Charging with this is a breeze. This 22 milliamp lithium-ion battery only takes 1 hour to fully charge and 30 minutes of runtime you get on one charge. This package comes with many accessories like the nice bag, which will store your vacuum cleaner and keep it ready for the next use. This little vacuum cleaner comes at a great price. You can get it on Amazon for $39.99, and I'll leave that link down below for easy access. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review because it did everything it said it was going to do, and it's very powerful and lightweight. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this handheld rechargeable vacuum cleaner or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up because it helps the channel grow. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget that bell to the right, because that lets you know when my new videos are out. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, as I always do, and appreciate you watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.